What's up, y'all? Welcome to the Dead Zone. That's right, another video. 2 boxes today. One from Plastic Empire, one from JNavo Toys. It's a $100 guaranteed mystery box. I think it was like $112 shipped. We'll go ahead and put that up on the screen somewhere up here. But first, we're going to go ahead and open up that Plastic Empire box. I have no idea what it is. All right, here's the box. You know how we do it. Dan, from the bottom, right? You know how we do it. From the bottom, it's ourselves. All right, so this is a chomp. All right, so here's the box. The one we've been waiting for, JNavo Toys, and it is from January of 2021, so it's been sitting around for a little bit. From the bottom, Dan. All right, let's go for it. We got 5 pops. 1 in the protector, 4 not in the protector. Front, 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, the trolls. They're back. All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, Speed Racer. All right, so this is a good one. I like Speed Racer. I already have this one, but there we go. Pop number 2, Speed Racer. All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, Batman. This one is Batman Earth 44. I don't think I've ever seen this one before. All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. James Hetfield, Metallica. I do not have this one, so this one is definitely going to be a keeper. So this one is in a protector. All right, 1, 2, 3. And this one is from True Blood. I'm not familiar with this one. It's an older one for sure, 2014. And it's not something that I collect, but I think it has a little bit of value. All right, I'm going to put some values up around here, and so anybody's interested in a trade, hit me up.